Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters here in Junction City. Gary Christian serving you since July of 1981. Gosh, it's been a great time, and we've got another great unit, North Trail Caliber Edition. Let's just go look at this big bad bunkhouse. That a lot of people wonder, with opposing slides, what does it look like when it's closed up? We're going to do that today. So we've got the door side slid in, so you can see what kind of room you have in here. You still have plenty of room to get in here and get the stuff if you need be. Let's go back in the rear of the coach. This is a serious family unit, to say the least. So you're able to put 4 kids back here. And that bed's big enough, you don't have to be a kid. That's a nice big bed. Place for entertainment center, storage, drawers down below, hanging closets on both sides, so they got a place to put all their clothes so they're not out in the main part of the unit floating around. This does raise up and lock in place, and these sleep across this way, so you've got 2 down below, 1 up here, and then 1 behind me. When you get ready to rock and roll, you close the door, run the slide in. Let's go up front and take a look at this big storage area. So you got a combination, got 2 hanging spaces. This over here, you have shelves that you can remove and add more hanging space, or leave the bar in and just stuff it full of all your items. Fuses, circuit breakers are in here. This is an air return. And if you take a look at the bathroom, you'll notice a nice skylight, plenty of headroom. You've got another door heading outside, so they don't have to traipse through the entire unit to get in here to go to the restroom or wash their hands or take off their muddy boots and put them in the bathtub. Medicine cabinet. Got a nice U-shaped dinette that makes down into a bed. Your couch is a double heighted bed, so you can sleep 2 more out here, 1 or 2 over here. Nice entertainment center up front, DVD player, and good storage up in here, all the way across the top. Swing over into the master bedroom. Nice nightstands on both sides, plenty of cubbies down below for storing electrical outlets. Got storage up on top on both sides, hanging space, and of course you got storage down here, and it's walled off. We have pass-through all the way across the front. Push button lights up here, easy to reach while you're in bed. And let's take a look outside. Now you notice the step I'm coming down on, it's one of them new steps, them fancy ones that are rock solid, and they fold up and they go right in the doorway when you're in transport. Electric awning, outdoor speakers. This is the service entrance for your refrigerator. Electrical outlet, your Blackwater flush. That's a small outdoor kitchen, and it's got a rack on the back, so if you needed to carry something, you can put this in the down position, put a pin in there, and put all your stuff up on top of the rack and secure it. It's got a backup camera already mounted in there if you want to interface that with your tow vehicle. And we could do that for you in our shop. Furnace, intake and exhaust, dump station, power cord hookup, nice deep slides. And of course your electric stabilizer jacks. There's your pass-through storage. It's real wide on the other side. We supply 2 batteries with slide outs, full propane, electric tongue jack. I know you must have at least 1 or 2 questions. Well, who would you call other than me? Give Gary a call at 541-554 9581. Appreciate your time.